Hello guys, welcome to my channels. In this videos, I'm going to show you how to deposit your crypto assets and fiat currency into your Binance account. Yes, if you are new in cryptos and do not have account yet, please see these videos. So I have already posted in my YouTube channels and I will put these video links in the description. Okay, now let's start to deposit the crypto asset into your Binance accounts. You can click here first and you will see that it's Binance Pro here. So if you are using Binance Lite, just click here, change to Binance Pros, because Binance Pro is more easier to use than Binance Lite. Okay, so now let's start to deposit crypto assets into your Binance accounts. First, you can see here is the add funds, mean you deposit via fiat currency or deposit via crypto asset. Okay, just click it. So when you click it, you will see there are 4 options to deposit into your accounts. Okay, so I will explain you one by one. Buy with USD, it means you can buy crypto easily via bank transfer, cards and more. So when you click on it, you will see here. So for example, you want to buy crypto asset like 100 USD. Yeah, so it will come out like this. So you can complete the information of your Visa card or credit card or MasterCard and then pre your orders and process. So after completion, you will receive the USDT or any asset you buy in your account. Okay, let's go back. And second is you can buy with USD in peer-to-peer. So if you click here, yeah, you will see the available merchandise they are selling, so you can buy. I'm not sure if you are living in the available countries to buy in peer-to-peer. Just check by yourself. Okay, and you can review the payment, whether they have the bank you can buy at the same bank, the same account you can transfer or not. Yes, if yes, you can test and try to buy it. If not, you have another option to deposit. Okay, let's go back. So let's go back here. You can receive crypto asset via Binance Pay. Just click here. Okay, here you can click receive. So this is the Binance Pay QR code. So someone, if they use Binance, they can send crypto asset to you instantly. Yes, like bank payments. So it is very easy, but they can send only if they use Binance the same account. If they use another exchange, no, cannot. Just remember. Okay, so if you have friends or you buy some crypto assets from someone, they are using Binance, yes, you can show them or send them the QR code so they can send you instantly. Yes, now let's come back. The last one is, the last is the deposit with crypto asset here at the below. Yeah, you click on it. So normally there are a lot of assets. If you have crypto asset, you can deposit directly. Yeah, and I will show you the example of USDT. Yeah, USD is the stable coin. Yeah, so it's equal to USD dollar. Yeah, so normally a lot of network, but the network easy to use is Smart Chain, yeah, BEP20 and Tron TRC20. So if you are using network Tron TRC20, just click on it and show them the QR code or copy the address and send them. Yeah, so if they are using Binance Smart Chain BEP20, yes, you click on it and then send them the QR code or copy the address and tell them Binance Smart Chain. So it is very easy, not difficult. So let's try it. If you have any question or any problem, yes, comment below. And do not forget to subscribe my channels to get more videos. Thank you for watching. We update you more about Binance study. See you next time. Bye.